and welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. You may know me from my main channel, The Magnolia Housewife. And I decided to create a second channel, Crafty Cards and Journals, for those of us who love and miss my paper crafting. I did journals. I've done many different paper crafts on my main channel, but I decided to separate it and create this second one. So on this channel, we will be uploading every Monday and Tuesday. And what we're going to be doing, I think you're really going to enjoy this. If you love paper crafts, we're going to be doing junk journals, card making, art journals, and those interactive books that I made on my main channel that you can use to put photos in, or you can do journaling in them, or just whatever you want to do. They're even beautiful just to set around as decor, all right? And we're also going to be having craft hauls on this channel. And I'm going to also once in a while be trying out new tools that might make our crafting life a little easier. And what's not to love about that? So let me give you some examples of what you can expect on this channel. Now this is some of the crafting that we are going to be doing here on this new channel, Crafty Cards and Journals. I love card making. I wanted this card to sort of look like a stamp, so I put a stamp around the edge. I just thought it was so cute. I used my Big Shot to put a 3D effect to the paper, stamped all this out, colored it, and there's our card. And we'll be going to be doing more intricate cards and simpler cards. So stay tuned for that if you love card making. Then, now some of these videos, what I'm doing is bringing them the journals from the Magnolia Housewife channel and bringing it over to this channel. And I don't have them quite all over here because it takes quite a bit of time to download them from YouTube, re-edit them, and then re-upload them to the new channel. So this is a Tim Holtz inspired junk journal that I made about a year or two ago, and I sewed my signatures in. This was my first one, so this is a little off, but you get better with practice. And then we're going to be making little tags, pockets, definitely our signatures. I think this is so cute. You have tons of little tuck spots, places to do things. This is some of my coffee dyed paper that I made. Just a lot of different unusual things. I love to put unexpected items in the journal. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because I will have videos where you can see this. And here's more of my coffee dyed paper, a little tag, belly band. Here's some little tickets that I made. So easy to make and customize. More of my coffee dyed paper. So if this looks like something you would enjoy, definitely subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of different fun things. This was just a little small paper bag that I picked up and turned it into a pocket. I mean, you can do so much with this stuff. I love it. We make specimen cards, different things like that. And another little specimen card. So and this is made out of just junk mail, okay? So that's one journal. Then you'll find that I love to do what I call interactive books, all right? This is using Stamperia paper. And I just made this really adorable book based on winter tales. And it has so many magical little elements to it. I really do love how this turned out. You can do so much with just scrapbook paper. And down in here in the side, you can either put a big photo in there or you can journal, okay? And we have tons of pockets, tucks, everything like that. Look at this, so cute. Love it. Belly band, this right here. And this is a sweet little effect just like this. So, and then we have more places for photos or journaling over here, okay? Then the next one is based on Alice in Wonderland. Now, I haven't finished this. This is what we'll be picking up on this channel, and I'm trying to bring the other videos over to this channel. I haven't gotten them done yet, so we probably won't start on this until you can see I get the other videos over here. But you can see just how fun this is. It opens up, and you can just put little journaling spots, pictures, whatever you want to do. I find time just passes so quickly when I do this. And there's that. That's so cute, okay? And then here is this. Tons of little things. And then this I cut out, and I just did this. But like I said, tons of fun to be had on this little channel here. I can't wait to complete this. I think it's going to turn out lovely. This is a tuck. I haven't done these for, wow, I think I did these about a year or a year and a half ago. Once again, you can put photos or journal on that. All right, we're also going to be doing art journals. Now this I picked up at Michael's, and I really wish I'd had watercolor paper, but I think this will be fine. Art journals are kind of like junk journals. You can do whatever you want. I just cut out some little scrapbook paper and put different ephemera on here. And I love how it turned out. It's just so free form. You can just let your mind go. And it just says, let your dreams be your compass. And you can tell the little cat is ready to go somewhere. And all these books remind me of somewhere they're reading about going, and this is places they've been. So if you think this is a channel that you would enjoy and you love paper crafts like journals, card making, junk journals, art journals, anything like that, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I upload a new video every Monday and Tuesday. Now, unfortunately, until I get my channel established, I won't have access to community posts or clickable links in the description box. I'm really sorry about that, but there's not much I can do about it. But hopefully this channel will grow, and we can grow together, and we will just have so much fun, and then I'll get my clickable links in the description box and my community post tab, as well as get this channel monetized, because it takes a lot of money to run a channel. It really does. A lot of people don't realize it takes a lot of time and a lot of money. I'm not complaining. I love it, but it takes around 8 hours start to finish to upload, edit, thumbnail, and get it to you. And then I have to buy all this, so I have to have some money from somewhere. So thank you so much. Now, you may hear from time to time or see my little Chihuahua. Her name is Maggie. She's 5.4 pounds, and she is adorable little bundle. Here she is. She says, I like to be on Mama's videos. Say, yes, I do, but I'm sleepy. So until next time, stay crafty.